Nia is expecting a baby. During the first 10 weeks of her pregnancy, Nia is offered a screening test to find out her blood group and to check for any antibodies in her blood. Antibodies may be formed if blood cells with a different blood group from your own enter your bloodstream. This can sometimes happen because of a blood transfusion or during pregnancy and birth if your baby's blood group is different from yours. Antibodies protect you from harm, but some antibodies can be harmful to your baby. Nia can decide which tests to have, as screening is a choice. The test will check Nia's blood group and look for any antibodies in her blood. There are 4 main blood groups: Group O, Group A, Group B, and Group AB. Each of these blood groups can either be D positive or D negative. Nia will either be D positive or D negative, also known as Rh positive or Rh negative. If you are Rh positive, you will have Rh antigens on the surface of your red blood cells. If you do not have Rh antigens on the surface of your red blood cells, you will be D negative. Most people, 85% or 85 out of 100, will be D positive. A blood sample is taken from Nia's arm, usually between 11 and 13 weeks, to check her blood group and to check for antibodies, and then repeated again at around 28 weeks of pregnancy to check if any antibodies have formed during her pregnancy. A midwife will explain Nia's results to her and whether she will be offered any further tests. If Nia is D positive, she will not need to have another blood test to check her antibodies until she is around 28 weeks of pregnancy. However, if Nia is D negative, the midwife will offer her another blood test at 16 weeks, which can look at small amounts of Nia's baby's DNA in Nia's blood. The test can predict if her baby is D negative, the same as Nia, or D positive. If Nia's blood test shows her baby is D positive, Nia will be recommended anti-D injections during her pregnancy to prevent her from making harmful antibodies which could make her baby unwell. Anti-D is safe, but can cause some mild pain when they are injected into the muscle. For more information or support, speak to a midwife or doctor.